I can show you the world. But instead, I'm going to show you this wonderful forest because it's beautiful. Let me show you this hill. That's easy peasy. Let's ride up it. Me and you, I'll do the pedalling. Leave it to the pro. I don't know where it goes. It could be a dead end. Make sure you're tucked in there because we don't want to be riding over the phone. That would not be a great move. I've never been here before. If I have, I really don't remember it. Which doesn't mean I haven't been here before. Oh wow, speed hump control. Oh, would you look at that? See, the perfect track is now on the other side of that fence where all the workers are. And we're going all the way around there. And then we're going to go all the way back up and all the way back down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is what we do. For fun. Please don't let any dogs appear randomly. Oh no, there's a dog walking there. Every time. I love dogs, but it's like they're a magnet for this bike. Most dogs they'll, you know, steer well clear. Maybe they'll even try and attack if they're feeling particularly edgy, but with this thing, they're just like, hello bike. Hello bike, can we be friends? Hill start hill. Banked curve is what we want, but we'll go hill start hill first. Banked curve is just the best. I'm sure he's fine. Not the same dog as before, I don't think. I think he was a different colour. He might not have been. I'll watch this back and I'll be like, you're an idiot. That is the same colour dog. That is the same dog. Undergrowth. Woo!
Damn, can we get a little replay on that sound?
Woo!
I know some bird outside was like, what's up? What the fuck's up?
It's a deer. I'm hoping the camera's facing the right way.
You're really blind?
Yes, I'm really blind, man. What are you, fucking deaf?
Can you see the deer?
Are you blind? You can't see me.
You is blind.
It's there somewhere.
You can't see me.
This is where blindness is a problem.
I don't feel I have to pay.
Yes, you do. It's a sickness in your brain.
Because I know he's there. Oh, he is right there. Oh my god, I've been facing it the entire time.
Hallelujah! Holy shit!
Oh, little baby. Is he gone?
Why don't you run home to your mama?
Oh my god. Oh, he's really, they don't eat grass, so he's not going to go hungry. He's not looking for snacks from me.
Just eat the blossoms.
Hello. Oh, he's eating brambles?
That's the good stuff.
Look at that. Oh.
You just better get the hell out of here, mister.
Keep running!
Okay.
Amazing. I won't touch it. I know he's a wild creature, even if he's not a killer.
Stop.
Why?
It's one of her boarders.
We can still get the deer.
No, it's too late.
The deer could have fed 200 people.
I think he's got a bit of a limp on his leg.
He doesn't walk very good, does he?
Any hooses, I leave him be. I'll go and get my bike out of the middle of the walkway.
It's one of her boarders.
Here's what we're going to do this time. So we have a start line. Yeah, that is on the floor. As in, I'm facing it the right way. What we're going to do is stick you there, secure it, and I'm going to tie myself on an eye to get down. Then we're going to have a little racks and a drink. Then we shall endeavour to get all the way back up at full speed without the aid of puppies.
There's a stick there. Somebody should move it.
There was a stick on the track. That's naughty. Thankfully, I missed it. As that would have been an owie. Listen to that wind. It's nuts. Oh, isn't it lovely? And that is basically it. A new record was set, 57 seconds. Now, there was apparently a hole in the fence. Can I see it? Oh no, I couldn't even spot a deer right next to me till the last minute, and then I absolutely shit myself. I'd love there to be a hole in that fence. What is that? It looked like it should be an electricity cupboard or something, some sort of substation, but it's something with bricks and sticks in it. It's a bricks and sticks cupboard. Why? Why is there a bricks and sticks cupboard in the forest? I'm not believing that it's for wildlife, because why would you put it in a cupboard? However, I am going to go up there and see if I can find a hole in the fence so I can get home quicker. Now we're going to the long way home. I've got a few more 100 metres of stuff that my bike won't die on, and then a walk. I'm going to walk through the forest and then a bike all the way home. So now we walk. Got a couple up ahead, a couple of killers. Not really. It's just a couple. Just a couple having a nice time out with their little peppy doge. Ah, sun's out, guns out, bums out, bikes out. Oh, that's going to be lovely to ride home in. Scorching sunshine. Wow, that really is hot. It's supposed to be cooling off. Just come back. I always get so paranoid. What the fuck is that? See, now this could actually not be a creature. This could just be a leaf or a piece of rubbish. It's a leaf. It's a leaf. I was like, is that a squirrel's tail? It looks quite bushy. It's a lynx.
What are you, retarded?
I identify objects as creatures and creatures as predators. So.
I know you're not retarded.
Wow. Somebody stop me.
But, what are you, Down syndrome?
Oh, there's no shelter for a while either. Oh wow, it says people again. Oh, they obviously haven't moved. I've been doing the moving then, they've been staying still. That would make sense since I came here for a bike ride. How are they always so far away from me? It's like a mirage. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm just actually hallucinating because they are actually all dressed in black. And I can't work out if they're adults or just a bunch of children. Or both. Just big children, small adults, or small adults, big children. They definitely don't have bikes. And they kind of are in the same position that they were in before. No, I'm sure I went there on the way through. No, I didn't, because I ended up at the bottom of the track when I got around, not at the top. And I've obviously just come from the top area, so I don't know. Mystery never to be solved.
Wow. Wow. Yes! It was everything I could have imagined and more. Truly. Good to see you. Thanks for coming. Fuck you!